Hey, this is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. I've got allergies, so pardon my noise. Incorrect regular noise. But look at that. Ooh, Ippudo. Yeah. And what is it? It's 3 varieties. And the first one I'm trying is this one. This is the Akamaru Modern box. There's 3 different boxes. This came by way of Zen Plus. You can go to zenplus.com, and if you're looking at this in the post, you will see a link, and you can go to that and save yourself from listening to my insane voice right now. God, it's horrible. So, yeah. Shelf-stable fresh noodle, folks. Said 30 seconds. 30 seconds. That's it. Alright, so here's our fresh noodle. Dropping it into some... Oh, that could have gone a little better. I think we're alright. Come on! It's like I spilled it into the pot. Stay loose as a goose. Come on. It feels like dough. I mean, they feel like a total fresh noodle. And it mayonnaise. For crying out loud. I swear. So here we go. Noodle looks nice. Hakata noodle, I believe. Now we stir in. I mean, this is really quick. I don't think this is going to be the spicy one. There's a small red one. I think that's going to be the spicy action. Yeah, that's some oil. Okay, and then we got this one, which is the big broth sachet. These cook up really quick, folks, and yeah. There we go. Ooby dooby. Man, I wish I had some noridamaki or some kind of fish cake. Some fatty stuff here, look at that. Okay, now we stir this well. Oh my God. Holy moly. Alright, I'm ready to try that. But I can't, I gotta plate it and try it. I'm gonna use this one. I think this will look nice for a I believe it's Akamaru Modern. It says it's supposed to be a very robust, strong flavor. Let me hit that broth. Very. Oh God. man. Now you're talking. You know, when it comes to good ramen, this definitely floats my boat in the world of consumer ramen packages like this. Well, this is going horribly. Now, you're supposed to put this on top, and it looks like it just goes in a pile. I'm gonna put it right about there. It's about what I expected it to be. Not my favorite. It's like got a lot of sweetness to it, a lot of bite. I mean, it's not bad, but definitely not my favorite. Without that, spot on. Wonderful. 5 stars. A condiment is not going to change that either. I should say that. Here's my chashu, made fresh by yours truly. I think I did all that batch all by myself. I did it all by myself. Oh, I think my wife cut the strings. Yeah, most of that was my doing. Egg. Excellent. No accident. Okay. Yeah, I sound pretty bad, huh? Yeah. I already walked 8 miles, though. I'm gonna go out as soon as I'm done with this and one more. Gonna get those videos all uploaded and images done up. Head out the door and finish my 10. Because that's what I do. I know, right? I know. Little shichimi. I know it's already got the spicy on it, but I like my little pats of shichimi, like right like that. And some seeds. Where are they? Where are they? There. Right. Like that. And here we are. Fancy. Wowie wow wow, folks. Yeah, so the next one you're gonna see is from Cielo Fresh Foods. This is their Puzzle. Never had it. And it sounds really good. Never had hominy either. I suck. But eventually someday I'll get to try it. This, I'm 2 for 2 today. 2 5-stars. Let's see if we can make it 3. This has been Hans the Ramen Raider, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Like and subscribe. It helps me out. Thank you. Bye-bye.